Hey guys, Clark Cunningham here with Dr. Performance, and today we're going to be doing a module unboxing so you know what to expect when you order your Dr. Performance Pro Performance module. Let's go ahead and get started. All right off the bat, you're going to notice installation instructions. This is going to be specific to the module and specific to your truck. Okay, as you can see, these are really high quality instructions, very detailed, lots of pictures, lots of diagrams, really easy to follow. And if you do have any trouble with installation, we're always available by telephone, 800-406-5257, and we're happy to help you. Okay. Up next, we got the module itself. Now, a common misconception we have with this module is people think it's something you plug into your OBD2 port, kind of with you in the driver's cab underneath the steering wheel. That's actually not the case with this. This is actually going to be plugging in under the hood of your truck inside the engine bay. All right, it's going to be plugging into your fuel pressure sensor, and in some cases the MAP sensor, and then into the module, and then onward to your truck's ECM. And it always stays plugged in. Okay, this keeps it in line with your truck's ECM, unlike a tune, which is downloaded over your truck's ECM, and that's what voids your warranty. So this is a warranty-friendly product. Just make sure you unplug it before you go in for any service work. Okay, this is the wire harness for the module. As you can see right here, these are all OEM style plugs, really high quality material. We did not cheap out with this. All weather resistant lining here for these wires, and OEM style plugs. This is really quality stuff. So one of the sides is going to be plugging into the module. And then over here, I'm not going to untangle this right now, or unwrap it, excuse me. This is where you would be unplugging your truck's fuel pressure sensor and plugging this in place. All right. Then up next, we've got the selector switch. The selector switch has 4 different options, okay? All the way to the left, all the way counterclockwise is going to be stock. So if you have it in the stock setting, it's going to be like that module's not even there. If you go 1 clockwise, that is the low power setting. 2 clockwise is going to be the medium power setting. 3 clockwise is going to be the high power setting. We recommend 1 when you're doing some heavy towing, 2 for doing your daily driving, and 3 when you're driving empty on the highway, or maybe you just want to have some fun. So yeah, that's what you can expect when you order Dr. Performance Pro Performance module. We look forward to hearing from you, and we look forward to having you as part of our team. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 800-406-5257.